Hey guys, we just finished with our last event of the year. What an amazing time. So let's see how 2023 went for Adcash.
In 2023, we had more than 1,500 active advertisers from all over the globe. And we've served our advertisers more than 9 billion fraud-free traffic monthly.
We had around 3,500 publishers sending us traffic from all around the world. In average, we had more than 10 billion ad requests per day.
Our main verticals were sports, iGaming, app installs, dating, VPN, and crypto and finance.
Our top geos were US, India, and Brazil.